Let's be real. My downloads folder is an absolute disaster right now. I get clients sending me 40 different screenshots on Instagram instead of one clean document. It's pure chaos.
Stop hoarding digital trash. You're a professional. Snack is here to clean up the mess.
Thank God. Look, I cannot work with 40 loose Instagram screenshots. I need to take all these scattered images the client sent and turn them into one clean, premium looking document for my records.
Easy. Meet the free image to PDF converter. You just drag all those messy screenshots in, arrange them however you want, and merge them into one sleek PDF.
But wait, if I merge a bunch of high-res images, the file size is going to be massive. If I try to email that final PDF back to the client, it's just going to bounce.
Not on my watch. Check the PDF settings. There is a built-in compression slider. Keep the premium quality but shrink the file size. And the best part? Zero watermarks.
Okay, that is actually perfect. So now I have all 40 screenshots neatly organized into one master PDF. But here is the catch. What if the client messages me and says, "Hey, can you send me back just that one specific receipt from page 12? Or what if I want to post one of those pages to my Instagram stories? You can't upload a PDF to Insta."
Uno reverse. We hit them with the PDF to image converter. Drop that master PDF right back in. Pick the exact page you need and boom, instant JPEG or PNG.
Will it look pixelated? You know I need that crisp minimalist aesthetic. I hate blurry screenshots.
We only do ultra crisp. You can bump the resolution all the way to 300 dpi. High quality, totally private, and ready for your timeline.
Alright, problem solved. From scattered photos to a clean PDF and right back to high quality images. If you want to keep your workflow completely seamless and stop fighting with your files, toolsnack.com is the cheat code with no signups.
Work smarter, not harder. And by the way, I see you watching this. Yeah, you, the one who still pastes 40 images into a blank Word document and manually drags the corners to make them fit just to hit save as PDF. Absolutely disgusting behavior. Have some self-respect.
Link is in the description. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which tool you're using today. See ya!